Back when I posted this, people were like, whoa, did you like Photoshop your mouth? No, I could just unhinge my jaw like a snake. Comes in handy.
One more gear.
No! 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 Say you swear to fucking God, bro.
What the fuck? Yo!
私は結婚7年目の主婦。最近夫の帰りがめっきり遅くなった。
ただいま。
遅かったのね。あなたこんな時間までお仕事ですか？
あ、そうだ。
お風呂にします？食事にします？それともうんこになさいますか？
風呂。
あなた食事にしますか？それともうんこに？
飯。
あなたそろそろうんこに。
うんこは外で済ませてきた。
やっぱり仕事だなんて言って、本当は外でうんこを。
どこでうんこをしようが俺の勝手だー。
Japan.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey, babe.
Hey.
Why are you awake?
I peed the bed a little.
You pissed in the sheets?
Yeah.
Like, just now?
No, it was like a few minutes ago, you know. But it's like, what the?
For centuries in the great Kenyan tribe of Kisii, it has been an abomination to have ashy skin. But do not worry, there is a solution for people who have not been blessed with a consistent complexion. It is called cocoa butter. Discovered by my great-grandfather, ilitwali tubusiri monyare and then raha na raha ikampenda. Cocoa butter chokes your pores so they cannot misbehave. Cocoa butter can make you smooth. Smoothie. It prevents dry skin and eliminates wrinkles and lines. Cocoa butter is also reliable, portable, spreadable, flammable, microwavable, inedible, and indestructible, but probably not. So call the number on screen and order today for immediate satisfaction, and we will also give you this cocoa butter and this cocoa hatter and this and this cocoa butler and this cocoa Marjorie.
Have you ever had the desire to write your initials in wet cement? Ever gone mountain biking? What do you want to be when you grow up? What's the right tip? Have you called a plumber to your home lately? How superstitious are you? How much money would it take to make you spend a night in a cemetery? Would you display this as a trophy? Do you have a pet? Do you have a sweet tooth? Do you believe in the power of a curse? Have you had your hearing tested lately? Planning a trip soon? Can you remember the tallest man you've ever seen? Do you love to go a-wandering beneath a clear blue sky? Have you noticed what big stars real estate agents have become? Are you careful with your personal records? Does your computer ever seem to have a mind of its own? Have you ever visited a Chinatown section in a major city? Have you ever visited a flea market? Have you ever visited a truck stop? Did you ever have a job as a waiter? Have you noticed how many successful restaurants are theme-based these days?
I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, and then after 1, I want everybody to crack their knuckles, okay? Everyone silence. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yeah!
this calls for the ultimate punishment. I'm gonna pull out your dick,
Whoa.
and I'm gonna jerk you off until you come all over the place.
No.
Yes, this is how.
No, don't pull. No. Ah! Damn. Why did it have to end like that, man? Come on, bro.
Ready for impact.
I know that, like, we're friends and everything, but, like, I need to tell you something.
Ooh, okay. Is it gonna be freaky?
I mean, it's a little secret.
Ooh, okay. I want to hear this little secret.
This whole entire time...
Oh, what's up?
I've been a guy. I've been a guy this whole time.
Wait, nah, you're messing me. Okay, wait, this is super weird.
Yeah.
You know something, too?
What?
So, to be honest,
I'm really a guy, too.
What the hell? What?
Oh my god!
What the hell?
I thought I had a cute chick in my game, bro.
I thought I was Girl Boy trolling you.
Oh my god.
No, man. What the? I'm out, bro.
Did you put your name into the goblet of fire, Harry? Dumbledore asked calmly.
Harry! I protest! Harry, did you put your name in the goblet of fire? No, sir.
This is Bloomberg's idea of owning Trump. Are you ready for this? Trump had a rally in Phoenix this week. We made sure there was a nice gift waiting for him. Trump eats burnt steak. Mike Bloomberg likes his medium rare. Paid for by Mike Bloomberg 2020. Money well spent. Trump is finished.
The herd drifts away. The herds follow the seasonal rains and head south on a journey that takes a year to go full circle. As the choking clouds make life difficult, the herd treks southwards, seeking greener pasture and fresh water.
Hey sir, are you where you're parked in a handicap spot?
It's okay, I have an Android.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were disabled.
You want to get a book published, don't you?
Well, yes.
Well, if you want to be in black and white's got to be in you.
Penguin Publishing. One moment, please. Sir, I have a Brian Griffin on the line.
Out! Get out! Get out now!